Hello, my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and let me just tell you, we are having a special live online release. Now, what does that mean? Well, first of all, let me tell you when. It's Sunday, May 12th at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. If you don't live in those two zones, you got to figure it out yourself. But let me just tell you, we are going to have so much fun. First of all, it's live. So we get to chat. You and I get to visit. We get to chat. I get to say hello to everyone. We get to talk. We get to have fun. But I am releasing brand new products and a brand new item. Wait, what? Yes, a brand new item. Is it a die? No. Is it a stamp? No. Is it cardstock? No. Oh, I'm so excited. I have worked on this for so long. Literally, I want to say this is 21 years in the making. And I will explain that on our live event, May 12th, Sunday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. I cannot wait. I hope you are there. We're going to have some raffles, no purchase necessary. Go make sure you mark your calendar because I want to see you there and you're going to fall in love with what I have to share with you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. So much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.